Hi, I'm Johnny Scatello, the Director of Exhibits at MOSI, the Museum of Science and Industry here in Tampa. This summer we have a wide and overarching group of exhibits that all tie in, having to do with autonomy and how autonomy helps individuals and people through cybernetic helping. Included in these exhibits are things like an autonomous vehicle, a car that drives itself. As you see it behind me as it goes back and forth, this is a car that works on LiDAR that is used as a shuttle that can bring individuals from point A to point B driving on its own.
Hello, sir. Would you like to come aboard the Meridian Shuttle here today? All right, welcome aboard, everyone. Hello there. So, I'm going to turn off the emergency brake. Come on aboard, yes, please, everyone, and enjoy the future. So, right now, I've selected our destination. I've hit the start button. So, welcome. This is the Meridian Shuttle. It was built in 2011 in Paris, France. It cost $250,000 to make and is actually the first publicly available autonomous vehicle in the United States of America. So, we're very, very lucky that MOSI has it here today. So we're going to come right to our first turn here. Right now we're actually taking the Florida driver's test. So we're going to stop right over here. And you'll see me periodically pressing this button over here, the start button. Now that is just to demonstrate what a human would do during the driving test. Now we could set it up so that you just did the whole course with one button press. The whole thing would be done. But then you'd lose that human element. So right now we're doing the 3-point turn. So everyone's favorite turn, now done automatically. Woo! So, in order to map out this entire course we have here, we actually used an Xbox 360 controller. It's actually hooked up to the vehicle. You drove it around with the joystick like a real-life video game all the way around the course. And what we did during that time is we used our laser system called LiDAR, which scanned this entire area and then actually took a 3D image of the course, which is saved in the computer now. So now it knows where to go without crashing anywhere. So here we are at a stop sign. This car was built not in Florida because we actually stopped at the stop sign. So we're going to go around the bend. And today we are going to now go at our top speed, which is 4 miles per hour. Woohoo! Now let me tell you a little bit about LiDAR, the system we use to make sure that we get everywhere safely. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. Essentially what happens, it's similar to sonar or radar. We are sending out laser beams at a constant rate all around the environment. It's infrared light that we can't see, so that's going to bounce off of things in the environment and then come back to the car's sensors. Now that is going to tell us where everything is in about a 360-degree view in an accuracy of about 2 centimeters or 0.8 inches. And so a very interesting fact is that currently these vehicles are actually being used at colleges in Singapore and in Switzerland to get college students around, so they actually do have real-world applications already. And we're hoping by the year 2030 or 2040, that's when everyone is going to have their own private, personal vehicles that can go around and drive by themselves. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Y.
We also have a drone zone, which has our UAVs, autonomous unmanned vehicles. We have drone prototypes from Portugal that go on top of the water. We have drones that any of the guests can come and interact with, including Spheros and Ollies and quadcopters, so that anyone on the street can learn that drones aren't necessarily a bad thing, despite what you always hear in the media. MOSI is going through a renaissance of sorts. We're changing their entire exhibition concept. We want everything to be immersive and inviting and entertaining while giving our guests a chance to interact with the prototypes of tomorrow. We want pre-consumer technologies to be available to them and at their disposal and have them interact with and have them understand the science, technology, engineering, art, and math that goes into making a thing like a driverless vehicle. MOSI is open 360 days a year. We are fully air conditioned, so when the temperature reaches 100 again, or it's pouring outside, come and experience science, technology, engineering, art, and math, or STEAM here at MOSI.